No, wait a second. Nana, come. You know. This man, please, I know you have seen this man around from the first day. If you've seen him from day one, let me see your hand. Hey, let me hear you say Nana. Otumfuo. Yo. Nana, we appreciate you. Yeah, that's it. And I know you want to say something to Asantewaa. You know, you've been here from day one, and you play an instrument as well. Let's hear something.
Please, I think we have to.
This time, yeah, we'll fix that, but I'll hold the microphone.
All right, that would be nice. Right. Ghana, oh say yeah. Me who energy no. Ghana, oh say yeah. Ghana, oh say aye pia. And some of me be canning in say, oh my Ghana, Nyakopon shiramu nyina sebi say any day, any throughout the week nyina ya support it. Afua Asantewaa ohema kese. In fact, near why you know I saw oh my Ghana ni, I saw in my ni, I saw Asantewaa ni. It's Ghana, oh say yeah. Nice one. Mummy and TV big crowd instrument and so. Pia. Nana Otumfuo Asantewaa. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. I wear Ghana, I drink Ghana, I eat Ghana, cause I'm from Ghana. Love your country, be your country, help your country. Push your country, love your country, be your country, help your country. I say push your country. I wear Ghana, I drink, or say I eat. And here cause I'm from Ghana. I wear, I drink, or say I eat. And here cause I'm from Ghana. Ghana my yemene wodia. E was yengi na ye busuya. Sene be anchini mani betumi asuya no my Ghana. I'm fan to my penfura. Something crying. I go fra. Then I was here tam sika kokra. Be a duania ya betumi a dia. Go do go boase my yogusudi here. And my China for the botabaswa. Ghana I'm penny for be so moi. Near call no quani bottom ni here. Sikeni brentine bia yankwa. Canini and nim no modia huna. And I nim the abadi yomubuana na Otumfuo uzundi ya mwami bekwaje Ghana. Say Asantewaa say I wear, I drink, or say I eat. And here cause I'm from Ghana. I wear, I drink, or say I eat. And here cause I'm from Ghana. Love your country, be your country, or say help your country. And here push your country, or say love your country, oh be your country, or say help your country. I say push your country. I wear, I drink, or say I eat, or say cause I'm from. Yeah.
One thing you did not add is I play Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, amazing, man. What do you have to say to the people out here? I mean, we've had a very beautiful event, and you've been here from day one. I always saw you out there sitting and supporting Queen Afua Asantewaa. What do you have to say? First of all, that's a wonderful performance. What you just played, have you recorded it?
Exactly, it's already recorded. It's a song I featured Ken Aisoba. It's titled Ghana. When you search on that, you're going to find Ghana in the air. The name is Otumfuo Intiamwa, and I'm the U.S. Marine Corps Ambassador for Culture and Tourism. And in fact, it's so beautiful to always support the successful of great events that is happening in our country, and especially this great one that is empowering women. Emma Yefie, Emma na chichire busuya, Emma na sebi omoma awo ntoatoa so dɔɔso na Nyankopɔn bɔ hyɛbam. Ɛno nti no na mentumi ntena me na so abra yɛn nyinaa yɛ hema afia Asantewaa gyina kona no ɛma wɔ man Ghana nyinaa. Baby bia me wo bia na wo sɛ me gyae me cancel me event nyinaa na me tu anamon na me fly baby am wo bia na me ba Asantewaa mu yɛn nyinaa yɛ fie na me de ɔdɔ ene nkabomu ebeso ohemamu na afiri ne nyina ye dinkundim show my Ghana ni monyam
yeah, right. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, of course, here to support the Queen. Please put your hands together for him. All right, so the party continues. I'm sure we're going to have some more performances as we go. What you have for us, right?
Hey, hey,
hey. If you know, you can dance. If you know, you can dance. If you know, you can.